Are you an on-the-go adventurer? Have you ever been in an emergency situation? Do you like to camp? Or do you just like to get out? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be talking about a way to stay portable and with power. Hey everybody, what is up? I am today's host, Matthew, and you're watching Good Tech Cheap. Do not forget, no matter where you're watching, let us know in the comments, and where you can follow, and where you can subscribe, please do. And if there's a bell, click it for notifications. But in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be looking at the ISSOMI portable power station. Look at this thing. Phenomenal. It's a beast. This thing is 80,000 milliamps. It's huge. But of course, in every episode we do an unboxing and we dive into the details. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Okay, this is the ISSOMI portable power station. 296 watts at 80,000 milliamps. Waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Okay. Let's get it out of the box, see what we get. In the top we have our paperwork. Then we've got some nice foam on the side to protect the unit. We have a box right here. It has the jumper cables, a cigarette lighter adapter, another cigarette lighter adapter, and a charging plug, and the rest of the AC unit. Then we have the unit, so let's just get it out. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I'm pretty surprised. But it does have that massive milliamp battery in it. So, yeah. Alright, here we go. On the front facing, we have a USB port. It's got some Type-C, USB 3.0, and two 5-volt 2-amp USB ports. Then we have a DC port. This for the adapters, like these. We have our AC port, which has your 300 watt output for your AC plug, where you can run small appliances on, like a portable refrigerator or anything under 300 watts. And we have a light right here. That is awesome. On the top, we have the LED control button, the AC on and off, and your power button. And right here, you can place your phone for wireless charging. That's pretty nice. And a carrying handle that will fold right up to carry the device, making it a lot easier for transportation. On the back, it's just solid. On the bottom, it has rubber boots on it. And that is everything you get out of the box with this unit. So let's charge it up and do some testing and see what we think.
This is a high capacity, multiple output power station. It's got 296 watt hours at 80,000 milliamp lithium battery pack. It's got one wireless charger port on top, which is about 15 watt max. It's got a quick charge port at 45 watts and a Type-C port at 65 watts. So that is high speed USB-C charging. It's got a USB-A port at 10 watt max. It's got a DC port at 36 watts at 12 volts over 3 amps. It's got one AC port, and it's the PureSyn Wave 110 volt port. That's 300 watt max. So that means you can take one of those wall plug-ins and you can plug it into your power station and it'll run something that consumes up to 300 watts. That's like a mini fridge. And it can support up to 6 devices at the same time, with an optional ability to add solar panels to this to generate power from the sun. Perfect for camping or trips outdoors. The safety protection system is reliable PureSyn Wave output. The charging equipment is powered by the protection of over temperature, overpowering, overcurrent, over voltage, and short circuits to make it safer for you to use for charging your devices. So the technology built in is going to help you from overpowering any devices. In short, this basically means when you plug up your phone, you're not going to burn out your phone's battery. If you plug up a laptop, you're not going to burn up your laptop's battery. I have done this before, so it's really cool that technology has gotten to this point. It's dust, water, and impact resistance. With the IPX6 technology, is waterproof, it's safer, and has a longer lifespan. The portable generator is protected by covers on each power port. When camping outdoors, such covers can resist rain and dust. This can provide a more pleasant use experience for you during camping, thus making the ISSOMI portable power station a camping accessory and can make your camping battery have longer service life. The impact-resistant power station is safer and does not easily break and can even explode. It doesn't do that. It's got protection for it. So protect your safety in camping and on trips. Yes, there's a little bit of weight to it, but guess what? When I say a little bit of weight, I mean just that. It's a little over 10 pounds, so very light device right here at 10 pounds. Very portable, as you see. It's the size of a head. Maybe I've got a big head, maybe I've got a small head. Either way, it's the size of a head. So, very portable, very powerful, and this thing is sturdy. That's right, it's high quality. Easy to recharge in 4 ways and smart energy saving system. The power station can be charged by wall outlets at 58.8 watts, a car charger at 24 watts, or the electric generator at 58.8 watts. But don't forget, you can get the solar panel accessories for this, which can go up to 90 watts. But you will need to buy the solar charging panels separately. If there is no load, the portable generator will automatically shut down to save battery power. With the smart low power chip, the backup lithium battery has lower self-consumption and longer storage time after being fully charged. The portable power station is equipped with a 3-level LED light, which is easy to use, a long press for about 3 seconds to turn it on and off, and a short press to change the brightness. When you're camping at night, it's useful that the portable generator can provide you with that extra light. The power pack is equipped with a colometer, which can display the battery power on the LCD screen, given within about 1% range, to give you a clearer picture of the camping battery of your portable generator. So this thing has it all. ISSOMI did such an amazing job on this portable power station. As I mentioned, it's about 80,000 milliamps, so it's going to charge your devices a whole bunch of times. To explain, a smartphone battery can be anywhere from about 1,500 up to like maybe 3,000 milliamps if you've got one of those heavy duty phones with the extra battery pack. So this thing can charge that phone 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. It's ridiculous. But we hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget, I'm your host, Matthew. A huge shout out to ISSOMI for sponsoring this video and sending this product to share with you guys. And as an added benefit, you can check the description below for a discount. That's right, ISSOMI is giving you guys a discount. So check the description to get more information on that. But as always, guys, it's been awesome having you here. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Good Tech Cheap, and I will watch you guys and see you guys in the next review. Thanks for watching.